When people look at a building, what do they see? How about a factory or a power station? Do they only see what's on the outside? The walls, the windows, the sign on the door? Or do they see what we see? ENECON knows that the most important parts of any facility are not always obvious. Piping, tanks, and pumps. The floor, roof, chillers, and boilers. Protecting and maintaining these areas are what keeps a facility alive. That's why the job of the maintenance professional is so critical. And as time passes and our infrastructure ages, extending the lives of our buildings, factories, power stations, and other important facilities is quickly becoming one of the critical challenges of our time. ENECON has spent decades helping our customers around the world meet these challenges head-on. Our wide range of high-performance repair and protection materials provide cost-effective solutions to many of the most difficult problems faced by maintenance professionals. Let's take a closer look at some specific examples from around the world. One of the defining achievements in ENECON's early history came in 1995, when the U.S. Navy, after evaluating dozens of high-performance coatings provided by some of the top manufacturers in the world, chose ENECON's FlexiClad DuraTough to protect components on DDG-class guided missile destroyers from aggressive cavitation damage. For components subject to damage from erosion and corrosion, ENECON's ceramaloy products are the #1 choice for many of the world's most demanding customers. Customers like this nuclear power station in the United States. These massive circulating pumps suffered erosion-corrosion damage due to the aggressive brackish water environment. The plant engineers first repaired the internal pump components with ceramaloy and were so impressed with the performance, they insisted on the same product for the exterior of all 12 pump casings. Ceramaloy can be used to rebuild and resurface even deeply damaged components, as shown in this example at a refinery in Belgium. Or this hard water pump at a hospital in Chile. Deeply damaged areas were first repaired with ceramaloy paste and then resurfaced with ceramaloy liquid. To combat the problems caused by corrosive environments on equipment, accelerated by elevated operating temperatures, ENECON has developed specialized versions of its ceramaloy that can withstand elevated temperatures in immersed service and under dry conditions. These materials, ceramaloy HTP and ceramaloy HTL, can be used to repair and rebuild localized damage, as well as coat and protect entire components from future damage. ENECON's DuraWrap composite, a unique marriage of high-performance polymers and cutting-edge carbon fiber technology, was specifically created to restore the integrity of such fluid flow systems. At this wastewater treatment plant in the northeastern United States, a corroded main influent pipe was leaking raw sewage and was scheduled to be replaced. Instead, the pipe was reclaimed using DuraWrap carbon fiber, all for a fraction of the projected replacement cost. Heat exchanger erosion and corrosion problems, like those found at this industrial process company in Saudi Arabia, are routinely solved by ENECON's fluid flow system specialists. For rebuilding and resurfacing tube sheets and water boxes on many different types of heat exchangers, ENECON is the first choice for customers all around the world. Even some of the largest original equipment manufacturers have standardized on ENECON materials and turnkey services for coating and protecting their new heat exchangers before these are delivered to their VIP clients in order to minimize warranty callbacks. Where critical components may be subject to chemical attack, ENECON's ChemClad products are often the answer. Whether it's mild acids or the most aggressive chemical environments, ChemClad products are the finest room temperature cured chemical protection systems available anywhere. ENECON's Duraloy product is a multi-purpose polymer composite that can be used to make hundreds of different repairs, like this one in Morocco, where a commercial fishing vessel needed repairs to a 20-year-old damaged propeller shaft. Duralloy was used to completely rebuild the shaft to its original thickness without heat and the associated danger of warping this shaft. Combat vehicles, like tanks and Humvees, are subject to some of the most harsh and unpredictable environments imaginable. The U.S. military equips these vehicles with specifically designed kits containing materials that can be used for in-field repairs under combat conditions. After an exhaustive 4+ year evaluation of many different repair composites, ENECON's Duralloy, along with our fast-curing Speedalloy product, were selected to be a part of these critical battle damage repair kits. Speedalloy, our emergency leak-stopping composite, is used every day by customers to make fast repairs to pipes, fuel tanks, radiators, sumps, cracked casings, and more. For repairing damage to flexible components like conveyor belts and hoses, there's ENECON's Flexiclad ER. ENECON's Ceramaloy CBX is a product specifically engineered to repair components damaged by severe abrasion and protect them from even the most aggressive abrasive environments. Environments like this, at a steel mill in Australia, iron ore and other raw materials were wearing away the steel inside this 50-meter long, 5-meter diameter barrel reclaimer. 9 metric tons, almost 20,000 pounds of Ceramaloy CBX were used in this application, one of the largest in ENECON's recent history. In Canada, the largest indoor soccer stadium in North America developed leaks as a result of hundreds of holes and aging seams. ENECON Alberta was called in and made the repair for a fraction of the replacement cost using ENESEAL HR. ENESEAL HR is a unique ceramic-filled liquid membrane which creates a durable, seamless, flexible skin that refracts and reflects heat while providing a moisture-resistant barrier to virtually any surface. Leaks in these electrical switchgear cabinets in the United States were causing the equipment inside to short circuit and sometimes even explode. A hazardous situation that led to costly power outages. ENECON engineers were able to detail a procedure for waterproofing and corrosion protection for these switchgear cabinets that has been used in hundreds of these applications, utilizing ENESEAL CR as well as ENESEAL HR. ENESEAL CR is a single-component water-based coating which dries to a highly durable, corrosion-resistant elastomeric barrier that provides extraordinary environmental protection to metal and concrete masonry surfaces. It is also surface-tolerant and therefore doesn't require abrasive blasting of the substrate prior to application. When faced with their most difficult concrete repair issues, customers around the world choose ENECON's DuraQuartz high-performance concrete repair composite. Exhibiting outstanding adhesion and superior compressive strength, DuraQuartz can be mixed to any consistency and will bond to almost anything: marble, stone, slate, even metal. At this medical center in the United States, the main entry steps needed serious repairs. DuraQuartz was first used to rebuild the deteriorating stair structure, and then ENESEAL CR was applied to protect the staircase from further corrosion, as well as provide a more uniform appearance. ENECON's DuraFill composite was then used to create a non-slip finish on the surface of the steps. DuraFill is specifically designed for broadcast flooring applications, as well as for filling deeper holes and cavities in concrete. In both cases, the DuraFill is combined with locally sourced aggregates to provide unrivaled performance in some of the most demanding flooring and concrete repair and protection applications. Applications like this one, at this nuclear power station in Spain, where massive concrete storage pools needed to be repaired and protected. The plant engineers selected DuraQuartz and DuraFill to repair any damaged concrete and to screed and prime all of the surfaces of the pools. One coat of ChemClad SC was then applied over the entire pool area to provide a waterproof and maintenance-free surface. ENECLAD FPS was developed to solve some of the toughest industrial floor protection problems. It is easily applied by brush, roller, or squeegee to a super high-gloss finish. Non-skid aggregates can be incorporated into the ENECLAD FPS to provide a highly durable, slip-resistant surface. To provide extraordinary weather protection to virtually all types of concrete, masonry, and mineral surfaces, there's ENESEAL MP. ENESEAL MP is a single-component, water-based, ultra-low viscosity weather barrier which dries to a completely invisible, water-repellent masonry sealer. For stopping active leaks, waterproofing, and sealing masonry surfaces where hydrostatic pressure is a problem, there's ENECRETE WS and WP. This subway tunnel in Canada had developed significant leak problems due to hydrostatic pressure. None of the conventional waterproofing and repair procedures they tried could deal with the issues that stretched the entire 5-kilometer length of the tunnel. ENECRETE WP was used to stop the leaks, solving the problem and saving significant time and money in the process. The list of potential problems is as endless as it is unpredictable. That's why ENECON's worldwide team of field engineering specialists is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with locations in more than 70 countries across 6 continents. Reacting quickly to help our customers diagnose their specific problems, prescribe the most cost-effective solution to those problems, and then be there to work with our customers to make sure the solution is implemented properly, ensuring complete satisfaction, and often saving significant money in the process. That's the ENECON approach to complete facilities protection, rehabilitation, and maintenance. Whether it's a simple repair or a complex project, our customers feel confident making us an integral part of their repair and maintenance team. Products, service, vision. ENECON Corporation. Problem solved.